Epic.
bike ride.
It's 4:24 in the morning, time for an
epic bike ride.
I don't think it's the road. Turn it around. Sorry. I took one right too early. Sorry, Gage. That's my fault. There's no real map here. See what you got. I'm watching. That's a dangerous maneuver right there.
EBR!
EBR! Alright, go to the end of the parking lot into the trail into the next road. It's pretty fucking epic. It's not pretty nice, it's pretty epic. Banks, I have to notice that Gage with the sweatshirt, that's an EBR first.
What the hell? That's the first long sleeve on an EBR.
72 degrees! Bahrain cold!
It's legit Bahrain cold right now. Wow, that wind. No joke.
Sorry guys. Oh my god.
Dude, that's a stiff breeze. I'm literally shifting gears to fight the wind right now.
The Gage, one thing you'll notice about the EBR is we have the wind in our face now, and on the way back home we'll come the same way, the wind will be in our face again.
Yeah. That's basically that's Mando.
Banks. With the light flashing, it makes your legs look like a haunted house. Woo! Then I watched the pogo stick video again, and he said, you know, the pogo stick video says, you know, that's really good food.
Jesus Christ! Oh, Jesus.
Gage, you were almost the first casting in the world on the EBR.
Yeah, and your body would have like been all up on me. Oh, I did not like that intersection at all, Eddie. That shit was horrible. Okay, we'll get this dude following me. I'm getting out of there. Turn the beat around. I'm feeling it.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. It got in my mouth.
You sound great, Gage. Bahrain!
Well, back alley bingo here this morning.
Taking a right. Got it! Was that a no-look alley? Yeah. Yeah, go back.
Yeah, this lady even has a number, man.
I know. This is a legit alley. Are these mailboxes, Eddie?
Yeah. The prophecy has fulfilled itself.
I'm having kind of a bowel movement emergency going. Oh, well, that's it. I just crapped my pants.
Gage, you say you watch the EBR videos, but I don't think you watched the intro to the last one because I noticed you don't have 60 ounces of water.
This is a road. It says 2107 road.
Also 341.
I suck again.
Banks, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm having some gastrointestinal distress.
We need to get back to civilization.
I need to find a bit of relief.
Probably not what he's.
I'm gonna start having the cold sweats here in a minute.
EBR!
EBR!
There's the Jazzy's right there.
Can I get in there and take a dookie?
I would imagine.
Hey, what about the Jasmine? All right. It's got 2 thumbs up from me. They got a toilet. It's like I know it's not good because there's like waves. All right, so I understand this is a 2-phase operation. Someone's got to go in and order something while I go in and take the crap.
All right, it's 5:17 in the morning. We're outside Jasmine's. Bank and the new guy, Gage, went inside. And Bank has a real back alley emergency. I guess he went to a barbecue last night and he's having an emergency. All right, guys, more to follow. Bye. All right, everybody. So Gage just come out of Jasmine's and he's eating the special J. Let's watch Gage eat the special J. Oh. So this is your first. There comes Bank. Are you coming out of the head? So wait. Well, so how's your special J?
It's epic, man. It's absolutely epic.
So we're gonna. All right, there comes Bank.
5 o'clock in the morning.
Everybody say hi, Bank.
Hi.
So Bank, this morning we have the first ever epic burger.
Where did we get the epic
Jasmine's.
That's Jasmine's, man.
Jasmine's Coffee sells burgers at
5:21
in the morning.
Who'd have thunk it?
You know, there's a whole lot of firsts. I just took an epic dump.
And how was that?
God, that was great.
You better now?
God, I am so much better. I'm a new man.
Are you better for it?
We're all better for it.
Hey, Bank, do you realize the first EBR was through here and we haven't been this way since? Yeah, see the Ghazi Mall there?
Yeah, I want to take a left.
Let's do it, dude. That place looks chill. Restaurateur. Hang on right. Would it be an EBR if I didn't overcut you off and kill you?
If you didn't cut me off at least once, it wouldn't be an EBR. Did you lift with your hips? Point your toes? We're going into Mr. Rogers' neighborhood.
One does not simply.
I love this corner, man. This corner is awesome.
This is the first EBR corner. If you're a fan of the series,
if you're a fan of the series, you'll remember the episode.
The goal here is find a can. You can get perfectly so it gets stuck on your wheel. I've never done it. Bang does it like it's cool. There it is.
You got it on the rear.
I missed with the front, picked her up with the rear.
Nicely done.
It's my first one ever.
That's a good one. That is another EBR first. You're unpredictable, Gage. I never know what you're going to do. I thought you were just going to run full on into that truck.
In and out.
Yeah, well, I think it has a tough time recognizing our distance in between the... This is the souk, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know, I don't feel like we've gone that far though, with all the slowing down and weaving.
But he touched the butt.
It's butt food. It's food for your butt. Whoop. Oh, that would have been a good little turn. Smells like curry.
Ooh, this is wow. Are we gonna make it out of here? I don't think that's a big enough gap. Dude, handlebars won't fit.
Oh, wow, man. That's the alley of alleys. I don't know if I've seen a narrower alley. That one is only approachable by a pedestrian. Oh, watch the backhoe. There you go. "10 miles. Way to clear it, man. Way to clear it. I got no tubes. Yeah, it gets kind of personal back there. Took a flying saucer in Bahrain. Checking it out. There it is! The spaceship flying saucer of Bahrain. Dude, it's even got stairs so you can board it. Now boarding flying saucer. Wow.
Epic bike ride? EBR?
Epic bike ride, man. You see the rail?
I do, dude. It's cool. I don't know.
Is it going over the wall?
Never going over the wall. Did you see those sticks we ran across back there? They had a lot of like long thorns on them.
I'm kind of digging these pedals right now.
Those were like 15, 20 bucks on Amazon, man.
Yeah, we've got some aftermarket flats. Those are pretty nice. Okay. I know, man. That's a groovy shopping cart. What is up with that?
And a beard. Check it out, man. No, not a beard. That's just a ripped off arm.
Oh, this is fucking heavy, dude. Can we get a picture of this?
One more time, Eddie.
Being weird. We're all weird sometimes.
We're all weird sometimes. So we're having an EBR morning. It's actually kind of chilly today.
70, 80? 80?
Maybe 80 degrees. I don't even think so.
Stark contrast from EBR episode 1 and 2 and 3, of course.
Stark contrast. You're exactly
a fan of the series.
A fan of the series would know that we were suffering from heat stroke in the first couple episodes. But we're doing this EBR and we came across this really fancy looking statue. What is this? Art? This art piece? Pretty nice. And we've got a guest on our EBR today. His name is Gage. He's down that way. You see him coming up. And Gage is a fan. He's been a long-time fan and subscriber, likes all the videos. We see his comments all the time, and he decided to give it a shot. And he's having a great time. All right, we're going to get back at it. More to follow.
We had an EBR ride-along lottery. Gage was lucky enough to win the EBR ride-along lottery.
Yeah, it's true. The ride-along lottery winner. All right, so more to follow. I like the subtle hues, the pan.
Yeah, dude. But why is this mosque right next to this mosque? Is it like different religions?
Different sects. Must be. I want to get a picture of that one too.
You got your air pump on your bike?
Took it off. You low? Oh yeah, I did.
All right, so Eddie's having a mechanical failure today. He's getting flat tires frequently, so taking a tactical pause for the mechanical. A pretty nice spot. Got ourselves a decent overpass area with a lot of good pedestrian underpass action. How you doing, Gage?
Hey, doing good.
Good, yeah. So
Watching Eddie put his tire back together.
yeah, he might need to do some serious work on that one. I'm like positive if we get over there, there's a side street, and it'll take us all the way safely. We don't
All
have
the way
to.
to like Citrus.
No, all the way back to the base. Screw
All right,
Citrus.
let's try it.
All right, we're gonna do that. More to follow.
We haven't had NAZ all day. Gage and NAZ.